Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings for your DJI ROMO. So the only way of resetting all settings is with the app. So if you're not connected to the app, you just need to re-add the robot. If you don't know how to add it to the app, there is a video about it called how to set up the robot. So you can do that. And in the app, you can simply go to the settings in the top right corner, and then go to device info. Now click on reset all settings and click on confirm.
Reset settings.
Now click on OK. Your robot will be automatically removed.
Restarting robot.
It's gonna tell you that your robot is reset and that it is restarting. And that's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.